The worksheet you gave me, worksheet 2 I got, but worksheet 3 I did not get yet.
Sir, I gave you the image in Messenger. I sent you that in Monday, August 10, 9:10 p.m. 2 days from now.
Messenger.
Not in Messenger, actually I gave it to you in Gmail, but মানে স্ক্রিনশটটা নিচে যে আমি আপনাকে পাঠাইছি।
Gmail, which Gmail you are sending? You should send me.
Sir, Physics Mania.
Physics Mania I did not get yet. Your one. Monday you have, you see, I have all the emails here. You are, look, you have one email, August 10, Monday. This one worksheet. Huh? Let me check this one. This one you submitted, right? So this
Yes,
one is incomplete. I told you submit
I
it
think
again.
I didn't save it. What?
You see, it's incomplete. The one you gave till 2A, it's 2A. So when did you submit? This one,
I forgot to
this
save
one,
that one.
yeah, this one you submitted during the class. During the class you submitted, but I told you that after the class you take your time, and by yesterday you are supposed to submit. I told you that Tuesday you submit to me, and also in Google Classroom I gave the comment that you submit it by Tuesday. So
I didn't save it, sir.
Okay, fine. Now don't upset. Don't be upset about this. Just let me have. If you send me, then I can help you, right?
Yes, sir.
It's for you only. So if you cannot give, then you are lagging behind. With you, some other students started. They finished their test 2 on topic 2, 3.
Sir.
And they are now doing. Yeah, they are now doing topic 4 and 5. 4 is done, 5 is going on. Then in next class they will take test 3. Now still you are not done with 2 and 3. Should go faster, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise we cannot finish the syllabus. This way.
Sir, I also remember in which question I had problems. I can say you.
Look, you should be organized with everything, right? If you are organized, then it's better for you. You should check out that is there any pending work of physics I have to send. Then you can do work. If I always push you, then once I will also become tired. That will be not good for you. You should also cooperate me, right? Now look, we are now doing worksheet 2. I'll give you some time. Then you will send me worksheet 3. Okay. Now whatever we have, we are working on that. Look, here also you have some mistakes. I told you that today we will discuss all the mistakes. Okay, on worksheet 2 and 3. Then after that you will take the test. Now look.
Sir. Sorry. I left 3 questions and I finished the work. Means I just saved it again now. Means I did it again. I'm
okay, I will check. Let us finish worksheet 2 first. Okay. Worksheet 2 we will do first. Then we will do worksheet 3. Worksheet 2, the answer you gave, we will work it on first. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir. Your Gmail inbox.
Hmm. G drive. So this is worksheet 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Did we discuss the MCQ part of worksheet 2?
Worksheet 2.
Hmm.
I think yes, sir.
Sure. Okay, you tell me the answers, then I can check is it done or not.
Without seeing the worksheet, I did. Means the answers.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
You have the answers, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
answers you send me.
But I won't look at those, or I will look at those and tell you the answers.
Yeah. You tell me the answers.
Without
MCQ.
looking or looking.
Without looking, just tell me the answers. D, C, C, D, A, this way,
Okay, sir.
quickly.
The graph shows the speed of a car varies with time.
No, no, no. One.
With
MCQ 1. MCQ 1. What is the answer?
yes, I'm reading the question to give you the answer.
Not seeing the question. The answer you tell me. The answer you got.
Yes, I need to see the answer sheet and give you the answers.
Okay. Just tell me the options. That's it. Hmm.
Sir, actually, I didn't understand. Let me be clear.
Okay.
Will I see the word in which I have already saved the
You
answers? I will
you
look at those and tell you the answers. Or you are testing me
yes.
now
This
so that
one.
I.
This one. This one you tell me. This one.
Okay.
Tell me. Yeah.
D.
1D. This
D
way you
for
tell me.
Dhaka.
Yeah.
Okay,
1D.
1D.
Hmm. Correct. Then
2C.
2C. Yes.
3A.
Cross.
Cross. It hurts.
Continue. Continue. Quick. 4.
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. Yes, sir. Ready,
4.
sir.
4. 4. 4.
4B.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir. Bangladesh.
Yes. Then 5.
5C.
Cross.
Uh,
6. 6. Continue.
6A.
Cross.
6A.
6 cross. 7.
6 cross. Okay, sir. 7C.
Cross.
8A.
Cross.
9B. Very
Bangladesh.
bad at it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 10.
10D. Dhaka.
Okay. 11.
Oh, sorry. Just a second, sir. 11 is C. China.
Cross. Cross.
12 Dhaka.
Hmm.
13 Bangladesh.
Cross.
Oh my God. 14 China.
Yes, correct. So how many you got wrong?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, half. Half of them,
7.
7.
Yes, 7 you got wrong. So we are now discussing those 7. You got wrong.
Okay, sir.
Tell me the number. Which one you got wrong?
3.
3.
6,
Okay.
7, 8.
3. What is your answer?
My answer was A.
A. So acceleration of the skydiver downwards and velocity of the skydiver constant.
Acceleration varies with, means they are directly proportional. I missed that point.
It is terminal velocity, right?
Yes, sir.
Terminal velocity means constant velocity, right?
Oh, yes, sir. Sir, then am I right?
Terminal velocity is constant velocity. If there is constant velocity in linear motion, we don't have any acceleration.
Okay, I should write that down.
If there is change in velocity, increase in velocity, then we are getting acceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is constant
Uh,
velocity, then how come there will be acceleration?
there is more acceleration in constant velocity.
Okay, done. Three is done, right? So three, what should be the answer?
It should be C.
Okay, continue now. Next, which one?
Okay, sir. It was 5.
I made it wrong. Yeah, yeah, five. Which one you gave?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got C.
Your answer is C, right?
Yes, sir.
So how it is C? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
How it is C?
The speed time graph represents a short journey which distance.
If it is speed time graph, then
Okay,
this
sir.
line is showing you what?
The speed
The speed is
and time, they're
increasing.
constant.
The
It's
speed is,
accelerating,
yeah, accelerating. The speed is increasing with time.
increasing
Speed is increasing with time with a
at a constant rate.
constant rate or constant gradient. That's why it is constant acceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
And they are asking you about distance time graph now.
Therefore, distance will be more where time will be less. Therefore, it should be A.
Hmm. So when you are reading, where is your mind? Huh? Where was your mind, my dear? Now you are saying correctly, right? Next, which one?
Sir, sir 6.
So this one you should write beside your this one.
Yes, sir. I'm
You,
typing.
you gave cross, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number five or which one? Six. Question number six. Yeah, five, right? You
Yes,
gave
sir.
cross here. Now beside it you give A. Correct one. A. Don't rub it, huh? Keep it. The
Yes,
wrong
sir.
one
I
also
keep
keep
it.
it. Yeah. Then you write here A. Then if you need to have any notes, you can also have the notes where it is wrong. Do you think you need any notes?
It would be better, sir.
If you need any notes, then you can write that one. Now, Now
Sir,
you have
7.
6. 6 is wrong.
Yes, sir.
How come it is wrong?
Sir, I gave A, and you said it was wrong.
You said A. How you got A? You explain me.
Sir, at first we have a constant speed of 10 meter per second for 20 seconds, for which we will get 200 meters.
Okay,
And
write it.
then,
Write it. Write it. Wait. Step by step we'll go. You got here 200 meters, right?
yes, sir.
200 meters because it is rectangle and length into breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
Area under the graph, length into breadth. That's why you got here 200 meter, right? 20 multiplied by 10.
Yes, sir.
Then next part, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one is a trapezium.
In simplify, it's a square with a triangle.
You can use trapezium to make your calculation easier, right? You can do
Yes,
with
sir.
triangle and square, fine, but that will take long time. But if you do it trapezium formula, by one step you can do. Okay, fine. You use the triangle one. You tell me what you got for square. You got for square 100, right?
So we will get 100.
Yeah. For triangle one, how much you got?
We will get 50 because it's half the square.
So you got 50. That is coming 300, right? Total.
Sir, I missed that.
So this way your life is going on, huh? The next, which one next?
Sir, 7 and 8.
7 and 8. So when you are doing the worksheet, that time you are doing it insincerely, right? Just doing.
Yes.
You are not using your brain, just guessing or going so hurry. It's Shajan sir's class, right? No problem. But your time is wasted. You should understand that one. For for your betterment, you should be serious. Okay, Karim? We should
Yes,
go
sir.
faster. We should go faster. If we go this way,
From
then
now on, we will, sir.
yeah. Now 7. What the answer you gave?
Sir, I gave C, but if I don't know the fall. Sir,
Hmm. This one is a little bit tough question. No
sir,
problem.
it should be D,
It should be D. Now you
isn't it,
understand
sir?
it. Yes.
Because in the before one, you told me that terminal velocity gives you a
Hmm.
acceleration of 0.
Hmm. Before I told you, and even when we discussed the notes, that time we told you in notes it's available, in recording it's available, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can check over there. Yeah. Now 8. Are you correcting in your documents? Are you correcting?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. Now be serious. The next 8. 8 is also a little bit tricky question. Its concept is Concept is easy.
Sir, the acceleration decreased due to the air resistance effect, isn't it?
Again,
Sir, the acceleration decreases because the air resistance is acting now.
yes, yes. Acceleration decreases and decreases to zero, right?
Yes, sir.
When air resistance and weight are equal. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I understand.
Mm.
Car has stopped at a red light when the light changes to green. The car starts moving with the instant. Okay. Which quantity is plotted? Constant acceleration. It should be distance time graph.
Distance time graph. So what you chose before?
Sir, I chose B, speed time graph.
Okay, fine. Now at least you understood. Now 9, 9
Just a
is
second,
correct.
so just let me write it.
9 was
Yes,
wrong or
sir.
is correct?
No, sir, 9 was correct. 11 and 13. This time I was right. It was 175.
No, I am asking you before you gave B or A.
No, sir, I gave B. My
Okay,
ninth and 10th is correct.
okay, 9 and 10 correct. Very good. Then 11 is wrong.
Yes, sir. At time T1, a stone is dropped from a stationary balloon. The stone reaches terminal velocity
Now
at
you
time
can
2.
understand
Which
it.
rho gives the acceleration? Stone at time T1 and time T2. T1 meter per
Just now you
second
took the
acceleration.
notes.
Yes, sir. It should be B.
Hmm. And previously it was
C.
next. Which one?
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. I'm just taking the notes. Yes, sir.
Which
Then
one?
it's 13, sir, not 12. It should be D.
No,
Speed and graph represent.
no.
No, 12.
13, 13.
13, I wrote B, but it should be the speed and graph represent. How many sections represent the car moving with non-uniform acceleration? 1, 2. Sir, it should be C.
Yes. Which two?
Acceleration and deceleration. The first and second last.
What
I
I
was
said you,
confused with it.
not deceleration, it's deceleration.
Deceleration.
If someone is listening to you, deceleration, then they will ask you which teacher taught you.
I will
You will
remember next
laugh
year.
at me.
So I will try my best to remember it and use it whenever it's necessary.
And next,
None of them, sir. It's done.
now structure part.
So just a second. Let me
Structure part A you got correct. Structured part 17. And you did not write the unit. What should be the unit?
Yes, sir.
You did not write the unit.
It should be second. Meter per second.
Yeah. So why you said second first?
I don't
Firstly,
saw the meter, sir.
it's the speed, right? How
Yes,
come
sir.
speed will be second?
Sir, I just first give a look at the question.
So take your time.
Uh,
Before
okay,
giving
sir.
answer, take your time. And why you are in hurry? Already because of this hurriness, you did lots of mistakes. The thing you already know, those mistakes you did. Now the part B. Part B, after 5 seconds, you got the speed 17, right?
Yes, sir.
After 5 seconds, your speed is 17. But in your graph, you are showing how much? It's 4. Your graph should be like this. From 0 to 17, it will go. Okay,
Okay.
this way. You understand
Um,
what I'm saying?
yes, sir. I did.
So do it. Do it now. The other
Two,
part is
three,
okay.
4, 5. Okay.
After 5 seconds, you continue the way you did before. From there, you'll be having one straight line parallel to time axis till 15. And the smarter approach is you label here 15. If you are thinking here is 15, you label here 15. Okay, this is smarter approach. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. But actually, I'm in word for which it's being difficult.
So here you label 17.
So,
Is it clear?
yes, sir.
If you label it, it's more smarter approach. That's making you more confident, and your answer is becoming more stronger. Clear? Examiner will be happy on you. Then next we have part B. Fine, no more problems. This one you are supposed to write it and send me again. This one. Hey, Karim,
Yes, sir. I
you are
am
supposed to write
doing it,
2A.
sir.
You are supposed to write
Okay.
2A and send me it back. But you did not. You told me that you know this answer, and I also showed you from where you have to collect. In last class, if you go through the recording, you can check it from there. Okay. Then 3A. 3A. Let's see. Is it not possible here, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Karim, is it not possible to edit on the PDF file I gave you?
Sir, unless you give the permission.
Why you need permission? You can download from Google Classroom and you can do the editing then send me. Why you need
Sir,
permission?
actually we can't edit on a PDF unless we have the main copy. Then I
Main
can just
copy.
write on those lines and give you.
I am giving you main copy. You should download. That's it. From the Google Classroom you can download. You have already permission in the Google Classroom, right? I accepted your invitation. That is permission. So you can download it. Then you can edit. After downloading, it's yours. It's not anyone's. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
I saw class 7 students, 8 students, they are doing it. So what is your problem? Even Aisha from your class, she did. We are doing nuclear physics in school.
I should be first.
So, Karim,
Yes, sir. I'm big. This is sir.
listen, it is not the time to write. You will write after the class. You manage some time after the class, that time you will do it, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you are doing all these things now, then you will get less time to focus in the problems where you can solve your problems. You have any queries, you can ask me. The class time you do not do your work. It's our combined work should be done in class. Okay, so you should write this one 2A by yourself and send me. Then 3, what you wrote in 3, it is covering more distance in the same period of time. So what it is? 3, yeah, this is correct. Your answer is correct here. Then calculate the average speed of the ball between t equals 1 second to 3 seconds. This one I explained to you. I can remember.
Which
So
one,
you
sir?
correct.
Okay, sir.
So you corrected it.
Yes, sir.
It's 4 meter per
Wait,
second.
sir. 3A, 3B, 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 3B.
What you wrote here, 40 meter by 1 second. Then again 4 meter per second. Does it match? Is there any meter given over there? It's centimeter, right? In between 1 to 3 seconds. That means you have here 2 seconds and you have the distance here 80, right? So it's 40.
Yes, sir.
40 centimeter per second. You gave here meter per second. Why? And the final answer you gave 4 meter per second. Why? Hmm?
Sir, that is actually not the corrected one. I think I have the corrected one with me. I'm just sending you that again, but I still haven't did true A.
You don't do it again and again. You send me when you think you are, yes, you are done, confident. Yes, I did it with my 100% effort. Okay, with 100% sincerity. Then you send me. If you are sending me the incorrect one, then what is the use? Again, you have to send. So this one I just told you what you have to correct. This one was right. We got this answer. Then A is correct. 3 is, yeah, A2 is also correct. Minus 1.6 because the gradient is negative. See, the mass of the stones might not be same. Value of T might not be same for the highest point in the graph. Why you are saying the mass of the stones? I did not tell you this one. Why you are taking the mass one? I told you that uh, it will be, you see, uh, if it is going to the planet with higher acceleration due to gravity. Now it's your on moon, right? You are getting the acceleration due to gravity 1.6 meter per second square. Then if you are going to another place where uh, they are talking about on Earth.
Gravitational force is
Mm,
different.
yeah, different means they said it is more. It is on Earth, right? You should be more specific. Hmm.
So I should have write the
Yeah, look,
gravitational
they are
force
saying
is
it,
not
it's on
same.
Earth. So on Earth, the gravitational acceleration due to gravity is more. So if it is more, then what will happen?
There is a difference is gravitational force. A simple answer for every of them is
Yeah, so here from the graph we can understand there will be greater acceleration due to gravity, right? Our graph is velocity time graph. So if it is giving you greater acceleration due to gravity, then it will be more steeper, right? The
yes, sir.
gradient will be more. This is first point. The first point would be that one, and the second point is okay. You wrote the value of
Gravitational
T.
force is not the same.
They already told you this one indirectly.
Okay.
So
So
the shape of the graph. What will be the shape of the graph?
it
The
will be much more
gradient.
steeper.
Yeah, the gradient will be more, right?
Yes, sir.
This one is the first point. The second point is it will take less time to reach maximum height, or you said highest point. You wrote here might not be. Don't say might not be. You are sure about it. That one you'll say confidently. Yes, it will take less time to reach maximum height because it's clear to you, right? Here it's taking 3 seconds. So if your gradient is more, it will not be 3 seconds. It will be less than 3 seconds, right? Is it?
Sir, then I should write the value of t will not be the same and the
Don't say will not be same. You say it's less than. Okay, it will be take less time to reach maximum height. That's it. Now it's taking 3 seconds. It will take less than 3 seconds to reach maximum height. It is damn sure. Why you are will not be or might not be. Don't use this word.
okay,
It
sir.
will take it
I
will
will
take
keep that in
less
mind.
time. That's it. Less time to reach maximum height. Done.
Yes,
So this
sir.
worksheet is done here. You should correct it all. Whatever I said
Yes.
in recording, these are available. You should correct them all and
Gravitational
send me again.
force. The gravitational force.
I did not say about gravitational force.
Sir,
There,
in one, can you
the-
just
I
explain me
said
again?
the
Means
first point is the gradient should be more,
much more
right?
steeper.
Yeah, more steeper. They already said you gravitational force is more. They are saying on Earth. That means we understand that gravitational force is more. Acceleration due to gravity is more.
Okay, 2A.
Yes, Karim,
Yes, sir.
done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after this worksheet, the worksheet you sent me, that one we are
Sir,
opening now. Yeah,
sir, I
you
can't
sent
download
me
the file
two.
because,
You sent me
okay, sir.
two
Uh,
files.
no, sir, actually, I replied to that for which you will see two. You just means I replied to that very one.
So this one I should go through or the other one.
It might be the other one.
Okay, this one.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, they are on the phone. Means আয়শা ওরা হচ্ছে ফোনে ওরা ডাউনলোড করে বাট আমি তো কম্পিউটারে
So what? In computer, it is more, accessible, more editable.
accessible but I can't download it in.
Who said you? Who said you can't download it? You can download any file we are uploading. If they are can downloading on phone, it will be 100 times possible in a laptop on computer. What you are saying?
Sir, I will ask them how to do it because it's being really confusing for me.
Who?
Sir,
Who will
Aisha
ask?
and others. Sir, because
Okay.
আমি এর আগে কোনো সময় করি নাই।
You will learn it. All the things you did not learn uh, one day, right?
Yes, sir.
You are learning every day. You are learning. We are learning even. So every day we are learning. Now this one, right? This one is your worksheet. This one we discussed all the MCQs. I can remember, right? And paper two also we discussed all the things. But you did not send me everything. Many things are empty.
Yes, sir. I don't know.
So what to do? Today you will do the test or the coming day?
So
Today
the
it's not
coming day
possible.
fixed.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. The
coming
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 day
day.
it would be. Or
Yeah,
sir,
coming
you
day
could do
we'll
one
do
thing.
it. Do the
Sir,
test
sir, sir.
before. Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Sir, tomorrow Thursday I am free. You could just give me the question paper. I will do it in time and give you.
Thursday you
Then
are
one day will
free.
be saved.
When
Yes, sir.
you are free? When?
Sir, afternoon I am free.
Afternoon. When?
In the evening, in this time.
You will get it in 7 o'clock. Okay. 7 to 7:15. I will send it. Then you will return by the time mentioned. Okay. But before that,
It will be 1 hour 30 minutes, isn't it, sir?
I'm not sure. I have to check it. Different test, different time.
Okay, sir. I'll be present at
Maybe
7 o'clock,
maybe
and I
one
will
hour.
message you.
Maybe 1 hour. But I have to check it. Okay. So you resend me. Okay. Both worksheet 2 and 3 you resend me after correcting today.
Okay, sir.
By tonight you send me. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, could you explain me worksheet 2A again, because it's being really confusing.
Worksheet 2.
Worksheet 2A.
Yeah, I understand. This is worksheet 3 or 2? 2, yes. 2A.
In the ninth page, sir.
Mm-hmm. This one.
Yes,
Read.
sir.
Read.
Yes, sir.
Read the
Sir,
question.
there is no atmosphere on the moon. An
Mm.
astronaut on the moon drops a feather and a hammer from the same height at the same time.
Mm.
They both accelerate downward at 1.6 meter per second, and
Mm.
they hit the ground at the same time. The
Mm.
weight of the hammer is much larger than of the feather.
Mm.
Explain in terms of weight and mass why their acceleration are equal.
So, what should be written?
The gravitational force on them acts equally.
Of
No
course,
air
equally.
resistance
Of course, it's working equally because gravitational force does not depend on the masses
on
of the
mass.
objects. Masses of the objects. Rather, it depends on the what? Planets or satellites mass. Clear to you?
Oh, means the larger the planet, the more the gravitational force.
Yes. Larger the mass
Okay.
is not that heavier the planet or heavier
Heavier the
the
planet.
yeah mass. It's related to the mass of the planets or mass of the satellites or mass of the stars.
Okay. And I should also mention that there is no air resistance. That's the reason they fall at the same time.
Yeah, no air resistance is working, so they are falling with acceleration of free fall on the moon 1.6 meter per second square.
So my key points are no air resistant,
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, an acceleration of 1.6 meter per second acting on both of them,
Mm.
and a free fall. These three are my key points.
And you should also mention that one. Then the acceleration of free fall does not depend on.
The mass of the object. It depends on the mass of the planet.
Yes, this one you should mention also.
Okay, sir.
So done.
Yes, sir. I'm done with this. So let me check. Do I have any other queries or not?
Yeah. If you have anything else, tell me.
Yes, sir. Worksheet 3, question 2C
Worksheet
and
3.
3AB. Yes, sir. Oh, এটা কি লিখে দেব? Sir, আমি কি worksheet পয়েন্ট ওয়াইজ এই আনসারটা লিখতে পারবো নাকি
Of
it
course.
is
Of course, you can write point wise.
স্যার এটা তো আমরা ও লেভেলও লিখতে পারবো না?
Yes, we are in O level.
Means in the main examination.
So it is also preparation of main exams, right? Are you taking it, still you are taking it lightly?
No sir, serious হচ্ছে স্যার।
So which one again?
Sir, question 2C.
Question 2C. Yes. There is no work done, right?
Yes sir.
Why?
Yes sir.
Why no work done? Because there is no distance moved in the direction of force. Work done formula is F into D, right?
Yes sir.
Your force is working in this direction, but your distance moved is here, right? In this direction.
Yes sir.
No distance moved in the direction of
Force.
That's why.
For which it's no work done.
Yeah, that's why it is 0. No work done. So distance
Sir,
in the
can you
direction
take a
distance in the
so what
direction
would be
of
our next? Okay,
next
sir, yes,
topic. Next topic.
Yes sir.
Next topic will be mass weight density.
After that, will we come over here? Force these.
Force is one of the part of force is dynamics. Oh, you are now doing 3, right? Then we have dynamics.
Yes sir.
This one is
And
dynamics.
Yes sir, and we were left with a bit of it.
So already we have force. We are having Newton's first law, second law, third law, right? In dynamics.
Yes sir.
So these are related to force, balanced force, unbalanced force, resultant force, right? Isn't
Yes
it?
sir.
We have frictional force, right?
Yes sir.
We have force. Now, after that, we have mass weight density, then we have turning effect of force. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Topic 5, we will have turning effect of forces, and mass weight density, weight is one kind of force. So in topic 4 also we are having force. We are discussing weight. Weight is also one kind of force. So done, anything about this topic?
Sir, 3A and B also.
3AB. Okay. 3AB, 3AB, 3A. Calculate the resultant force that causes a mass of. So resultant force F equals MA. You don't know? Huh? You are having here mass. You have acceleration, so you can find the resultant force, right? Hello.
Yes sir. Force is equal to mass into acceleration.
Yes. Just simply you do it.
The speed at which the astronaut is traveling.
Then next.
Sir, what shall? Yes sir.
The speed of at which the astronaut is traveling
Speed is equal to distance.
After 1.2 seconds. So you have the acceleration here, right?
Yes sir. 0.35.
So they are asking you about final speed. V equals U plus AT. You have the formula of acceleration, right?
Yes sir.
What is the formula? What is the formula?
Formula for acceleration.
A equals v minus u by t, right? You should
A
have
my
everything. You should have everything in your mind.
sir,
A
could you
equals
do me a favor?
A
Can you give
equals.
me a list of formulas so that I could memorize them?
Here is the formula. A equals v minus u by t.
V minus u by t, where v is velocity, t is time, and u is
E
distance.
u is your initial velocity. V is your final velocity. T is time. So change in velocity by time taken, it is acceleration, right?
Okay, change in velocity. Sir, could you do me a favor and give me the list of formulas according to our topic
Not
so
now,
that I
not
could
now. When
memorize
all
them?
the topics are over, that time. You are now only doing two topics. You should remember this.
Okay, sir.
When all the topics are over, then you will get the formula. Formula should be in your brain always. Now you are doing these two topics, you should have this. V equals u plus at if you rearrange it. Okay? You are going to find the final speed or final velocity. That's why V equals u plus at. U is how much? Initially at rest, right?
Yes, sir.
So u is 0.
0 plus acceleration, which is 0.35 into t, which is 1.2.
Okay,
1.2
done. Done. You are done. Then
0.35. 0.42.
whatever is coming, if your
Okay, sir.
calculation is
Yes, sir.
correct,
Then the next one. Sketch the speed time graph for the astronaut.
yeah, now you can do it. You already have the information, right? Necessary information
Was
you
it
got.
C or B?
Yeah, so you got here
I did it, sir, I think.
3 seconds,
Yes, sir,
right?
I did it.
You did it, right? So you got here speed, right? I told you in our discussion that you should level here this speed. Okay, we
Yes,
are
sir.
having here constant speed for 1.2 seconds, right? So till 1.2 seconds, you will show the speed here, right? Level here, like before, level. Level here 1.2, level here the speed you are getting. Then draw the graph. Okay, the way they are saying. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. You send me it by tonight. Both,
Within half hour, sir.
yeah, both worksheet 2 and 3 together.
Yes, sir, together.
Allah Hafiz.
Have a nice day, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.